Hello everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall cover a lot and a lot more about shapes. So I'm going to open my Word document. It's here. It's called Learn About Shapes. Here. I'm going to double click on it and we wait as it's open. Now our Word document is open. So in this document now, we want to see how can we insert a shape here. So for you to insert the shape, you can click on where you want to insert the shape, where my cursor is there. I come to insert. On insert, I come to shapes. Then I choose the shape I want. Let's say I want this rectangle. I can choose this rectangle and drag it. I left click and hold and drag. Boom, it will be there. Now, if I want to move it up, you are seeing the cursor has changed, so I can again left click and hold and then move it up. I can move it to cover that text or even to move it down like that. So now, what if I want another one? If I want another one, maybe to put it here, I come back again to shapes. I come to insert shapes. And then on shapes, I come maybe to choose, for this case, let me take this is star, the 5-pointed star. I will click on that and then I just come and drag it, left click and drag. So I left click and hold and drag and it be there. So I can hold these handling buttons to make it more bigger or even more smaller. They are used to make it more smaller or more bigger. You can hold shift to position it and resize it in the format and the way you want. So these are my shapes. Now let's learn how can we change this color, because this is the default color that it has come with. So for me to change the color, I click on it to select it. Then I come to shape format here. After shape format, I come to here at shape fill. I click on shape fill and then I am able to choose any color that I want that shape to be. Maybe for now, somebody can choose red, you can choose yellow, any color you feel like. For now, I'm going to choose this deep red. Yes. After choosing that, I'm also able to add the outline to this shape. The outline is here. I still come to shape format, then I come to shape outline here. On the shape outline, I'm able to choose either whatever color I want. For now, I'm going to choose black. On choosing black, you are seeing that the outline of the shape has now changed. If I want it to look more bigger than that, I will come to still back to shape outline. And then I come to weight, then I increase its weight to maybe something like that. I choose that. So now you are seeing our shape has done that. We can also do the same thing to this shape. I click on it to select it. I come to shape fill. Then I choose the color I want it to be. For example, I'm going to take this color and I'm going to say, for this one, I'm going to remove the outline. So if I want to remove the outline of the shape, I come to shape outline. Then I'm able to say no outline here. Boom. So now this one you are seeing it has no outline. I'm able to click on it and hold and drag it to this one. Yeah, I combine the two shapes together. So that is how you can insert the shape into your Word document. Maybe I want another shape. I can come to insert, then I come to shapes, then I choose this curly bracket, then I drag it towards this, like this. Yeah, then now I choose it to be black, then I come to shape outline, then I make the weight to be a bit bigger. Yeah, so now we have our shape there, our curly bracket. I want to put another curly bracket this way. I will come to, let me come to insert and put another shape the other side. I come to shapes, then I come to, I click on this shape. That is the shape I want. I can use the handling buttons to make it more bigger than that, and I hold here also. So after that, you now see our shape is a bit so small that even you may not see. So I'm going to click on it to select, then I come to shape, outline, then I come to weight, then I choose the weight to be something like that. Then I change the color to be what? Black. So sorry, this is the shape fill. I will say no fill. Then I come to shape outline. I put the shape outline to be what? Black. So now we are seeing our shapes are there. So that is how definitely you can insert the shape into Microsoft Word document and also change its color. Thank you for watching. I have other videos on how you can insert watermark and other Microsoft Word videos. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I love you. Peace.